Welcome to Lake Fua.
And another episode of
Vince
and Mike go
to
to foreign
countries
and try
snack eat.
That was a good one.
Yeah, that was really well done.
Today, since we're out here on Fua Lake, right by Pokhara, we've decided to do a seafood-themed one. So we've got some semolina toast, some fried mackerel with chili sauce and cumin, some spicy instant fish,
And some shrimp-flavored crackers.
All right, let's start with these mackerels.
Let's get the mackerel over with.
You want to open up these
Yeah,
crackers?
so we decided to get a little bit of toast to go with our mackerel. So we're just not eating straight mackerel.
Oh yeah!
Ooh.
Holy mackerel!
Ah! That's where that comes from, I guess. Comes from Lake Fua.
I don't know. This smells a bit fishy.
Might because we're out on the lake here, Mike. This is not what I was expecting.
That's about what I was expecting.
All right, cool. That's good.
So first, let's just try this toast. You can taste the cardamom.
Oh yeah,
That's pretty good.
that's not bad though.
If you have a lot of something to drink. This looks like a chicken wing, and feels like a chicken wing.
Is there bones in it?
Chicken wing. Yeah, it's quite bony, I think.
I think so. It's actually not bad. It's a bit spicy, but it is in
Chili sauce.
Chili
is
sauce.
good one. It's really spicy,
oh dear.
but good.
Mm.
Bones in.
Really?
Oh yeah.
I just bit right through them.
You're so tough. The great thing about this food is if you need some bait, you've got bait too.
Oh, there's some bones.
That's pretty good.
Should I not be eating this, maybe?
You mean the bone?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Nice, tasty treat out on the boat.
But really quite spicy.
I really actually like the cardamom with the chili sauce. It goes well together.
Yeah, these things are good. They're supposed to be with tea.
Ah,
Surprising. Spicy instant fish.
ingredients.
Fish, all, O-L-L,
Probably oil.
salt, cinnamon, pepper, chill, etc. Chill, not chili, chill.
Oh.
The important last ingredient is to relax, etc.
My mouth is burning, Michael.
Here, there's some water here.
Thank you.
I think these are going to be really hot. Dude, they're so weird. Whew. This doesn't look like...
What the heck?
You can like see its eye or something. I don't know.
Whoa.
We're going for the big one.
Bon appetit.
Oh yeah, I'm into these.
Really?
I think. This is a nice chewy fishy snack. I like the chewiness.
I don't like it. I like to chew. How much after chew it?
Oh no, that's great. It's like fish jerky.
I don't know if it's hot or if my mouth is still on fire from the mackerel.
Oh, these are great. They might make you sick.
I think they're really spicy.
That's great.
Okay. To sop up the flavor, some shrimp flavored crackers. I'm gonna let Mike go ahead and open these ones this time, since I've opened all the chips on this trip and my mouth is on fire. Oh my gosh.
My hands are wet.
Maybe a toast. take the.
No, I'm going right for these. Well, that's not a cracker.
Nothing wrong with those.
Hard to taste right now.
I can't taste anything.
I'm on board. These just are like...
These are not spicy at all, and I'm gonna eat the entire bag. Because I am burning up. I can't handle heat at all.
These are like, you know those vegetable sticks?
Yeah.
They're like that with a little bit less flavor, which is incredible that you can achieve that.
Well,
A nice respite.
thanks for coming for a paddle with us out here on Lake Fua. We're gonna enjoy a bit of a paddle now. See you next time on Vince
And Mike.
Eat Foreign Country Foods.